Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to accept payment on Wix website. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So accepting payments here in Wix is very easy. Now all we need to do is open our Wix website and go to My Sites. So you are just going to choose one of the websites here that you've made and just select and edit site. And you will be prompted to the Wix editor site. So at the left portion of our interface, we are just going to scroll down and click settings. And here are the general settings. So we are just going to click accept payments. So here are different payment options that you can choose from. So you can accept payments via PayPal, manual payments. So you will allow to accept cash, check, or other custom forms of payment. So you can also see more payment options. So here are HitPay, DragonPay, FasterPay, online payments by Sendit, PayMyAll, and At Home. So you can choose from any of these payment options. So we are going to click Connect for DragonPay. And you are just going to fill out this information. And once you're good to go, you are just going to click Connect. Now, you have to make sure that you are on the correct plan. If you want to accept payments in your website, you can't stay on the website plans. You have to upgrade to business and e-commerce plans. So you are just going to select one of the plans here for you to be able to accept payments in your website. And that's it. That's how you're going to accept payment on your Wix website. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.